I felt like I had everything. I mean, I was married, I loved my husband, we had 4 kids, we had just sold a super successful company, I had God in my life. I mean, nothing was wrong. I was healthy, I was fit. I just felt like I had nothing to complain about, and I still wasn't feeling how I thought I should feel. I have been really big into self-development like my whole life. Like when I was little, I would take my money and buy books, and I would hide them. Like I would hide them in my drawer, and I was embarrassed because I thought something was wrong with me. I just kept thinking there's more to life than this, right? Like I have a master's degree in psychology. Like I came from an amazing family. Like everything is perfect, but I just knew from a young age there was a better life, and I couldn't figure out how to get it. With Brooke's program, like I almost didn't realize I needed it, because again, like I looked at my life and I was like, okay, I have everything. Like there's nothing more to do.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
That's good. Andrew is going to... A friend recommended her podcast, and I remember distinctly where I was when I listened to her first podcast. I was at the rec center, and I even remember the machine I was on. Like I remember everything. And then I just slowly started like listening to her podcast. I was like, oh, like there's a system of how to do this. And she's not this unicorn and butterfly. She's like, hey, this takes effort, this takes work, and it's worth every little bit you invest in yourself. Like it will change your life. I'm a living proof of someone that didn't even think she needed this, like thinking I had everything, that I'm like, oh my gosh, like my life is so much better and I can handle anything. And even when I choose to indulge in my emotions and be a little baby and whine about something, like I know it's just being indulgent. I know that I can go through the exact steps and I can turn it around and I can fix and handle anything in my life. Like it makes life so much more enjoyable. So if you were to look at my life now, externally, it is exactly the same. I still have a wonderful husband, I still have wonderful kids, we just built a beautiful home. Like I live my dream, I really do. That's that as the outside. As far as the inside, like I just feel like my lens on life is completely different. I was with my brother the other day and I was like, I feel like I should just shout from the rooftops that I'm different. Like I'm just happier and things are, you know, and I said, I don't feel like people can appreciate what I've gone through. Like I'm just so much lighter inside and I just look at things differently and I'm just so much happier to be me now. And my brother said, I can absolutely tell.